Today, the Florida Supreme Court ruled that the legislature's action last year to require public employees in Florida to contribute to their own pensions is lawful, and the court upheld the legislature's decision in its entirety. Here's why that's important for all of us in Florida. First, it means that our pension system for our public employees is going to be solvent, and that pensions will be there for our firefighters, our teachers, our police officers, our other public employees who've worked so hard for state and other governments to make sure that their retirement can be dignified and can be secure. But the second reason why it's important is that public employees in Florida will now do what employees in other states, including states that are operated by Democratic governors and legislatures, do, and that's to make sure that public employees have some skin in the game in their own retirement. We think that's the right thing to do. It's what happens in the private sector. It's what happens in the vast, vast majority of other states. But the third reason why this is important is because it means that we won't be having deep draconian cuts in health care and education and public safety and corrections and transportation that would have been necessitated if public employees in our state didn't contribute something, and it's 3% under this law, something to their own pensions. So a good decision today by the Supreme Court, upholding the legislature and establishing a sensible policy to make sure that public pensions will be solvent and that the public sector will be solid.